when things or objects that we see appear distorted or small in size or bigger in size, it may create panic in us. Sometimes it may create a surprise or it may cause fear in us. Welcome back to Ophthalmology for undergraduates and postgraduate beginners. Today I am going to tell about what is Metamorphopsia, what is MICROPSIA, what is MACROPSIA. Metamorphopsia means distortion of images. MACROPSIA means the objects appear bigger than its size. Micropsia means the object appears smaller than its size. Let us see why this happens and what are the conditions in which this happens. First, let us see about metamorphopsia. Metamorphopsia means distorted images. So this is an ampler grid. This is a triangular object I have drawn. This is a normal thing I have drawn here. I have come here with the distorted lines. I have come with a distorted triangle. This is what is metamorphopsia is. A person perceives these normal things as distorted images. This is commonly seen in age-related macular degenerations. Epiretinal membrane. There will be a membrane formation over the macula which may constrict and crumple the macula. Macular hole. The hole is there in the macula. In these conditions, what will happen? Normally, the photoreceptors are arranged in a sequence at a particular distance from each other. But in case of these diseases, the distance between the photoreceptors may vary between one cell and the another. So there is total chaos in the arrangement of photoreceptors in the macula. So whatever object you are seeing will be perceived according to the distorted arrangement of the photoreceptors. That will give you a distorted image. Coming to a micropsia, you can see that the size of the grid as well as the object is reduced. This is commonly seen in macular edema. In macular edema, what will happen? The photoreceptor cells, because of the edema, they will move apart. The distance between the photoreceptor cells will increase because of the collection of fluid. Normally, if an object has to fall on 100 photoreceptors, in case of macular edema, because of the moving away of the photoreceptors, the same object will fall on only 50 photoreceptors in the macula. Only the 50 photoreceptors, they will take the signal to the brain to perceive the image. If only 50 photoreceptors are stimulated, then the size of the object will decrease. So, the cause for micropsia is the number of photoreceptors stimulated are less, leading to decrease in the size due to increased distance between the photoreceptors. Next, coming to the MACROPSIA. What is this MACROPSIA? The objects appear bigger in size. This is completely opposite to MICROPSIA, where I told because of the edema, the photoreceptors move away. But in MACROPSIA, the photoreceptors are very tightly brought together. They come very close together. Because of the closeness, when an object falls on the macula, instead of normally stimulating 100 photoreceptors, it may stimulate more than 200 photoreceptors. The more number of photoreceptors being stimulated, that will lead to bigger object perception. That is called as MACROPSIA. This is classically seen in epiretinal membrane formation. When a membrane is formed over the macula, and the membrane brings the photoreceptor cells together due to its contracture. So that will lead to macropsia. So we have understood what is metamorphopsia, what is micropsia, what is macropsia. Metamorphopsia is due to irregular arrangement of cells. Micropsia is due to departure of the photoreceptors far away from each other. Macropsia is due to close arrangement, or the photoreceptors are very closely arranged due to certain pathologies. So we will stop here. We will see about some other topic in the next session. Thank you.